In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update your Afro Introductions app. So by updating your Afro Introduction app, you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with this app. You'll also be able to fix any bugs or any security issues related to your app. This will also help to fix any issues related to your app, such as malfunctioning or any fixes. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, let's get into it. Now to update this, you need to go ahead and access the app either through Google Play Store if you are on Android and App Store if you are on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android smartphone, and therefore I'll go ahead and search for Afro Introductions on Google Play Store. So I'll go back and then look for Google Play Store and then search for the app, and look at that. Here is my app. Now if you check here, you can see we have an update that is available, which means I've been using an outdated version of this app. To update it, just go ahead and tap on update, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Afro Introductions and then install it on your smartphone. Now once this is done, now you'll have the latest version of this dating app. Now proceed and tap on open to start using the latest version of this app. So that's how you can update and get the latest version of Afro Introductions. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.